Imagine if your chatbot could access all of your company files and instantly find the perfect answer for any questions. That's exactly what Retrieval-Augmented Generation, aka RAG, does. By connecting AI to your knowledge base, RAG ensures smarter, fact-based answers every time. After this lesson, you'll understand how RAG works and how it can improve your business's chatbots. Let's start with how RAG works. Imagine your team spends hours answering repetitive customer queries or digging through manuals for answers. With RAG, your chatbot turns your company's knowledge base, like FAQs and manuals, into a searchable database. It instantly retrieves the exact information needed and blends it with AI's natural conversational skills for responses that are accurate and deeply relevant. This is what powers tools like Custom GPT and Chatbase, making it easy to upload your content and let the chatbot handle content-specific questions. For example, if a customer asks about product return policies, the chatbot pulls the latest policy from your files to deliver a fact-based answer. No guesswork involved. Let's break down how RAG processes a question step by step. When someone asks, "How do I do X?" RAG starts by converting that question into a unique digital code called an embedding. Think of embeddings as keywords or digital fingerprints that help the system understand the meaning and intent of the question. At the same time, your company's knowledge base, all of your documents, FAQs, and manuals is also turned into its own set of embeddings. This allows the system to quickly match the question to the most relevant content, like fitting puzzle pieces together. It's like having a highly organized filing cabinet where every piece of information is tagged and ready to be retrieved. Once the right match is found, the system retrieves that specific piece of content and sends it to the chatbot's brain, the large language model, LLM. This is where the LLM combines the retrieved information with its natural conversational abilities to generate a complete, contextually accurate response. By grounding its answers in retrieved knowledge, the chatbot avoids guesswork and delivers responses that are both precise and personalized. This process is what makes RAG-powered chatbots so effective for handling content-specific questions in business settings. Why does this matter? First, RAG ensures accuracy by reducing AI hallucinations where chatbots make up answers. It's also highly scalable, capable of handling thousands of pages of content far beyond ChatGPT 4.0's current context window of a few hundred pages at the moment of this lesson. Understanding how RAG works also empowers you to troubleshoot effectively. For example, if your chatbot isn't responding as expected, you can decide whether the content should be in the knowledge base, where it retrieves chunks of information as needed, or in the chatbot's instructions, so it's always available during interactions. This helps you fine-tune responses for maximum relevance and accuracy. Alright, let's see RAG in action. On the screen, you'll see the configuration of the sample GPT we've created for this lesson. It's set up to answer FAQs for a travel agency called Wanderlust Getaways. First, here's a quick look at the FAQ document we'll be using for this demo. Notice the correct answer to the question, "What information can I find on your destinations page?" It's clear and detailed. Our destinations pages provide comprehensive guides for each location, highlighting must-see attractions, local cuisine, cultural experiences, adventure activities, and accommodation options. Now, let's test the chatbot without uploading the FAQ document. We'll ask it the same question. "What information can I find on your destinations page?" At first glance, it might seem like something a travel agency would say, but it's totally off for our own business. It doesn't align with the detailed information we want to provide, and this kind of hallucination could confuse customers. Here's how to fix that. Let's upload the FAQ document, giving the chatbot access to accurate information. Once the document is uploaded, we'll refresh the chatbot and try the same question again. And there it is, a perfect response. The chatbot now pulls directly from the FAQ, providing a fact-based, business-specific answer. RAG transforms chatbots into accurate, scalable tools that deliver smarter, fact-based responses.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please leave your thoughts below so we can discuss more about the topic. If you'd like to suggest a video that could help the community, feel free to message me on X or Instagram. We also share short videos on Instagram, so make sure to follow us there. Feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you, and might even create a video based on your suggestion. Thanks again for being part of our community. See you in the next video.